Boonie Buster here, and I'm on the move. Can't get up to my usual camp spot up in the high Sierras because of snow. So I'm just going to go to a campground about 30 miles from my home, Ricardo Campground, and might do a review on it while I'm there. Got an absolutely gorgeous day out here on the desert. We got a little wind. We might get a little rain, but I love the weather. I don't mind snow and I don't mind rain as long as the snow is not over 3 inches and the rain doesn't wash me down a gully. So I'll let you know when I get there and when we get all set up, and we'll talk some more. Later. Red Rock Canyon. Turn off on the road to Aberdeen off of Highway 395 north of Independence, California. And this is the road to a little town of Aberdeen that was pretty much bypassed when the new freeway went in many years ago. The Goodale Creek campground is down here. It's where we're going to be spending the night. Okay, here's home for the night. Finally got it leveled. Took me a little bit. The nose was really low. I had to put a lot of blocks on the wheel into there to get the pitch properly. It was pretty low. I actually raised the truck bed up a little bit. In doing so, I probably better unhook it. It looks like my truck is raised up a little bit there. And there's the mountains. Oh yes, a lot of snow. All right, I gotta finish setting up. Well, I'm too tired tonight to do any more videoing. It's dark outside and I'm in camp. I'll just show you what my camp looks like in here. I mean, my camper. Of course, there's my little refrigerator and my control panel showing I still have fully charged batteries. And that's my bed. And tomorrow morning I'll give you a little bit more of a show of what's in here and how everything works. But for now, I'm tired. I think I'm going to go to bed early. Well, good morning. It's Friday morning, and I'm going to head home today. I pick up my grandson in Ridgecrest, a little town south of here, about 1 o'clock. So I'll leave here. It's about a 2-hour drive from here. I slept well last night. It was pretty good camp out, and I'm still in the Goodale Creek campsite, and had a little problem with the lithium batteries, which I'll tell you about. I knew that they did not like cold weather, but what I found out up here, my son already knew this. He's a smart dude. He figured this out a long time ago. I didn't realize how much temperature affected lithium batteries. Inside the battery box got down to 28 degrees. That's pretty cold for lithium. I think they quit charging at about 32. So I tried to use, yesterday morning, I tried to use my inverter to make coffee with my percolator, and the solar panel said that the battery was at 100%. I have two lithiums. It said it was at 100%, and voltage said 13 point, I forgot, 25 or something in that neighborhood, which should have been a fully charged battery. But the minute I turned on my percolator coffee pot, the power percentage dropped down to 70% real quick. And within a minute and a half, the inverter kicked off. So temperature is just too damn cold to use. I got to figure out a way to heat them up. I'm going to call probably E-Trailer today, see what they recommend for some sort of heater for the battery box. But anyway, so today, instead of using my percolator plugged into AC power, I'm just going to boil the water and pour it in, so I can have my coffee. And then I'll kind of pack things up, straighten things up. I'll show you my percolator here. This is my percolator. And I plug it in right there, but I'm not doing that. I do have a generator, and the generator works fine. It powers everything, but I don't feel like going out and starting the generator just to make a pot of coffee this morning. Yeah, I'm going to have scrambled egg freeze-dried for breakfast. I'll show you what it looks like outside. Oh, God, it's just beautiful out here today. If I can get out without breaking my neck. Look at this. Look how much sunshine we've got. Look at those mountains. Ooh. Ooh, are those cold up there and pretty. Look at that. Oh, golly, that's so nice looking. Absolutely crystal clear blue sky today. So, and I'm the only one in here, with the exception of a guy who just came in last night over there. But that's okay. I'm leaving, and he's not a problem, and I'm not a problem for him. And my generator, I have sitting back here. I'll give you a quick quick tour also of the camper. Okay, my generator I keep down here. Spare tire up here is my external solar plug-in, and that's my backup or rear view camera. I've got an awning up there. Had a little trouble with it in the beginning, but it's okay now. Got a nice little storage area down in here. Stabilizer jacks. I got an external, what do you call it? Propane outlet, so I can run a Blackstone grill or something. And I put in a bigger propane tank, and I got dual batteries in here. Let me get on the other side here. Ouch, that hurts. Then over here is my hot water heater, which I'm not really using. Well, I found out with the hot water heater that I can turn it on and get water boiling, or get it hot in the morning, and it'll stay hot all day without leaving it turned on. This is my outdoor shower, which I have never ever used. And then I plug this as my inverter cord. When I want to use the inverter, I just pull the generator cord out and plug this in. And then again, back here, there's my tank drain. Back here, I've got another opening for storage, and city water and fresh water. And I already showed you inside. This is a one-person camper, that's for sure. It's small in there, but it is absolutely perfect for what I do. I have not found one better. That has everything in it that I wanted. Toilet, hot water heater, a full-size bed, and a dinette that you don't have to take down every night to make the bed up. It's 2-burner stove, black water, fresh water, everything. It has an air conditioner and a heater, and everything just works really, really well. And it's round. I think that helps with air resistance when towing it with my truck over there. So let's go back in now because my water should be boiling. I'm going to have coffee and breakfast. Making some toast this morning. Oh, that is definitely enough there. Ooh, that's hot. I have a toaster, but like I said, the inverter I'm not going to even try using because the batteries are cold. It would probably work now. It's 70 degrees. Well, it's 70 degrees in here, which got a little bit too warm last night. And my breakfast is working, and my coffee is really good. Found out that pouring the hot water in the basket with the grounds, even with the percolator coffee pot, is much faster than letting it perk on its own. I think I'm going to probably do that from now on. Works very well. Okay, I thought I'd send my little drone up for a little look-see around the campground and show you some of the volcanic rock that's all over this area from a volcano that's now extinct. I hope. Probably it came from Mammoth Mountain. Mammoth Mountain was north of here a little ways, and it's an extinct volcano. But this is all volcanic rock. I think it's called basalt. I'm not real sure about that. I wasn't paying too close attention here and nearly flew into this hilltop. So take a look around here. There's just a lot of rock around here. At this point, I'm almost a mile out from the campsite. Those brown bushes that you see down there, that's actually Goodale Creek, and it found its way out of the mountains and is meandering down through all this lava bed, and will end up going right through the campground. So we'll just continue on now. Way out there, straight ahead, that little tiny black dot that you see way out there, that's actually an evergreen tree in the campground, and that's where I'm camped. That trailer there on the lower left, that's the camp host. I was talking to her. It was a lady and her husband, I guess it is. And she says she's been up at this campground as camp host for 6 years now. I was getting ready to land, and I heard a couple of helicopters coming from the north. I'm looking for them now. I know they're out there somewhere, so I can hear them coming, and they ended up coming right over the area where I was. There they are, right there. Can you see them? I was right out there in that area, not quite that high, but probably would have been enough to give them a scare if they saw me. So I had to get down quick and get back to camp. I landed for a few minutes and then decided I would go back up and give you a little aerial tour of the entire campground. So we're going toward the west here, and there's a spot just right coming into view now, right there on the right, that spot there. I camped there 1 year, made a short video of that. And we're just looking around now to the north, and then we'll be panning around. That's looking east, and we're just going to fly down. There's an upper loop and a lower loop. Actually, it's an eastern loop and a western loop. And right through the middle of it, those brown bushes, that's all Goodale Creek. Goes all the way down. You can see it going clear on down in through the town of Aberdeen, which is down there. And we're going now right through we're coming up on the eastern loop, or the northern, or the eastern loop's what I call it. And there, as you can see, there's not many people here. There was a trailer, that little trailer right there. I don't know, I didn't ever see anybody around it. It might just be stored there for the winter or something, I don't know. And then looking back down over here, we're going to be going that spot right there. I camped in there, just right where that toilet is, just to the west, or just to the west of that toilet. I camped in there 1 year. And again, you can see Goodale Creek flowing with all the brown bushes. to go. This is Highway 395, and time for another quick check of the camper. Make sure everything is still okay. How about one more quick view of the Sierra Nevada mountains on the east side? Isn't that beautiful up there? Campground was right over there, right about there. Look at how jagged some of those peaks are. The east side of the Sierras. This is Highway 395 here. Southbound is where I'm going. Gonna stop in Independence for some fuel. Well, that's it for today. I'm gonna head back home now, see if I can put a little video together for you. Looked like a dollar bill laying in the road back there. Too much traffic for me to stop and back up. I can't turn around anywhere in here. There's no place to pull off. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Just a little short one, just something to do. I just, I hate sitting around the house doing nothing. Let me know where you're seeing this video from. If you don't want to make a comment, just put your country or your town or your city or something down in the comments. Let me know where you are. I know I have friends in Australia, I mentioned that, and Holland, Ukraine, London, England, a couple places. I think there's somebody in Manila, or in the Philippines anyway. I'm not sure it's Manila. But let me know where you come, and like, subscribe, and comment, please. Anyway, that's all. Goodbye.